Hi, this is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to merge on the expressway and the elements that your DMV tester, road tester are looking for. I've been teaching drivers here for about 21 years, so I have a green light. I'm going to go ahead and accelerate up to speed. Your DMV tester or road tester will look for you to get up to speed safely. We've had about 6 inches of snow. The temperature is about 25 degrees, so I'm not going to go as fast as I normally would because it's dangerous on this ramps. Ramps and bridges freeze first. So your DMV tester, road tester will look for you to get up to a safe, reasonable speed. I'm going to turn on my left turn signal. I look in my mirror. I look over my shoulder. I merge into the first lane. And then I cancel my blinker once I'm in the lane. That was a pretty good merge. I'm at about 61 miles an hour. The speed limit here is 70. It doesn't make sense to drive really fast when the temperature is 25 degrees and we have 6 inches of snow. Why would you do that? So you want to be safe, you want to take your time, and you always want to look around. So I'm maintaining good speed. I'm in my first lane. I'm being safe. I'm checking my mirrors. I see the driver to the left. I'm looking. Always be prepared for hazardous conditions. I'm going to go ahead and make a lane change to the left. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Your DMV tester, road tester will look for you to make a good lane change. Once you're in the lane, you cancel your blinker. I'm still at about 68 miles an hour. Traffic is moving pretty fast. I'm going to go ahead and get over to the right again. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I check my mirrors. There's enough room for me to get over, even though this car's moving pretty fast. I have my blinker on for 3 blinks. So I'm maintaining a safe speed. I'm being patient. There's some semi-trucks up there ahead of me. So I'm making the decision to stay back. A lot of drivers are hesitant around semi-trucks. I do have a tutorial on driving out of blind spots of big trucks. You need to definitely look that up. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm pretty smooth right now. I'm safe. I'm checking my mirrors every 12 to 15 seconds. I have a white car behind me, about 4 cars. There's your car to the left. I'm coming up to this exit on your DMV test or road test. You're going to be going on the freeway multiple times, merging on, merging off. They're going to look for you to have great speed control. So I'm coming up by the semi-truck. I'm maintaining good speed. I have to pass the truck. Here's a great teachable moment. Don't hang around semi-trucks. I'm going to let my window down. You can hear that semi-truck. Don't hang around semi-trucks. That was a great teachable moment because you can't hear, the drivers can't see you, and it's dangerous. So that was a beautiful teachable moment. Don't hang around those semi-trucks. So I'm coming up on this cloverleaf exit. It is a 4-lane cloverleaf. 2 lanes go to the right, 2 lanes go to the left. There's snow and ice to the edge to the left. Don't drive in that. Why would you drive in that? Because you will spin out and literally slide into the ditch. So you want to stay in the grooves where it's clean. There are about 5 cars in a pack slowing down. There's a white car behind me going really fast. I don't understand why. I'm at about 30 miles an hour. If you come up too fast off the freeway, you're going to spin up out of control. And you will lose points on your DMV test or road test. So come in under control. That is critical. So I'm going to go ahead and get over 1 lane. I checked my mirror, turn signal, and blind spot. I'm in the appropriate lane. I'm going to be making a left-hand turn. I want to be all the way to the right. If you're in the inside left lane, you're going to be in the wrong lane when you make your turn. That's the teachable moment that young drivers make mistakes on. And on your DMV test or road test, if you turn in the wrong lane and cut off a car, that is failure. So I'm in the lane to the right. My speed is good. I'm at about 18 miles an hour. Why? Bridges freeze first. Why would you go really fast on a bridge in the wintertime when it's 25 degrees? Doesn't make sense. Use common sense. Take your time. So I'm getting back onto the expressway. I'm taking my time. We have a clover leaf entrance. If you don't understand what a clover leaf is, look at some of my other content. I talk about clover leaves. This is an inside view today because I have requests to do this. Again, I'm in the inside lane. I'm not going to the snow and ice out to the edge because that is really dangerous. So I'm at about 33 miles an hour. I'm going to have to pick up my speed soon, but if I accelerate too early, I'm going to slide off the cloverleaf into the ditch. So I'm looking, I checked, my left blinker's on. I'm accelerating up to speed. I'm at about 40 miles an hour. We have a solid line, and some solid lines, if you cross those solid lines, you will get a ticket. So I'm maintaining a speed. I'm at about 63 miles an hour. My speed is good. I see a truck merging out, so I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the left. Mirror turn signal blind spot. I'm in an open lane. Let's review. I'm a state certified driving instructor. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Driving with the Miles. Thank you, I love you, and I appreciate you.